Hi there gorgeous, and a very happy Frugal Friday to you. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I make videos like this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Fridays are my exclusive drugstore days where I focus specifically on affordable makeup products. So if you'd like to be notified of new videos like this one in the future, please subscribe, and thank you in advance if you do. Today I'm reviewing a new collection that has just been released from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This was sent to me as part of PR. I want to let you know that up front. This was done in collaboration with Nabela Noor. She is a Bangladesh American influencer, and I was just blown away by the PR packaging. I just have to say that up front. I usually do not share PR packaging because I'm not that kind of person, you know. I feel like it's bragging, and that's just not me. But this was so beautiful that I had to share it with all of you. It's simply stunning. So when you opened up the box, it came with this makeup bag, which is just the most gorgeous gold. It's got a pink inside. I love that. And then when you open the flap here, the products aren't in there right now because I took them out, but I just wanted to show you this fabric and how gorgeous this was. I mean, simply stunning. I mean, even when I'm done with this, I think I'll take it apart and use the fabric for pictures because it's so beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you each of these products up close today in a demonstration so you can get an idea of how they apply, what they look like on application, and I'll let you know if anything from this collection is worth checking out or not. There aren't many items within this collection, but I'll show you what is in it up close with great detail so you can get an idea of the performance of these products. Beginning with the brush set, there are 5 brushes that were included. Unfortunately, when I first recorded this part of the video, something happened to my audio, so I'm coming back with a voiceover to help correct that so I don't have to go back and refilm. So this is what all 5 brushes look like up close. The first one is an eyeshadow brush, which is a flat shader type brush. It's excellent for picking up powder and cream products and applying them onto the lid. I didn't struggle with this brush at all. It was very easy to use. The next brush is a crease brush. It is a little more flimsy than I would personally like for a crease brush to be. It's not as dense as what I typically go for, but nonetheless, great quality, but it will get the job done, and it is incredibly soft. Next brush is a rounded dome stipple brush, great for applying foundation directly onto the face. And as I was mentioning in this part of the video before the audio got messed up, it's very soft. So to demonstrate this brush and the results that you get, I'm using the Soap & Glory Kick Butt Foundation. And I applied a little bit of this foundation to the back of my hand, picked it up with the brush, and then began to stipple it onto the skin. Again, the bristles are extremely soft. These are some of the softest brushes I've ever experienced from e.l.f. And a little bit of the product goes a long way with this brush because it picks up so much foundation so easily that you really don't need much on application. And e.l.f. says that you can also use this brush in sweeping motions, you can use it in circular motions to blend the foundation in, to buff it in, and either way, it's a beautiful finish on the skin. I'm just sorry that my audio crapped out on me at this section of the video, but it does get better from here, so I will bid you adieu for the voiceover portion. Next brush is a pointed powder brush, extremely soft. I can't even begin to communicate to you how soft this brush is. It's like a bunny tail. That's what it feels like. But no bunnies were harmed in the making of this brush. Taking my CoverGirl Clean Matte powder, I am going to set my face with this brush. Oh my gosh, I love e.l.f. powder brushes. I have an obsession with their powder brushes. Some of the best that you can buy in the drugstore, in my opinion. I mean, you can see how flexible that is as I'm applying this powder. It's not a dense powder brush. It's very flimsy, and I say that because when you compare it to one like the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare powder brush, this one is still the same kind of flimsiness, but it's more dense in comparison with this one. And you know what? Actually, this brush is softer than this brush. Add a little bit of a contour here before applying the next product, which is the highlighter and the highlighter brush, which looks very promising. This highlighter looks simply gorgeous. It appears to be a pure gold pigment, very finely milled, so probably won't need much of it, but you can see the texture and the color up close there. Oh my goodness, you know what? This is a pure, it is so pretty. It is pure, what's the word? Gold. I mean, that's beautiful. Champagne gold, that's the word that I'm looking for. It's not that yellow gold, it's more white gold. Like I'd mentioned, the last brush is that highlighting brush, very similar to the pointed powder brush, but smaller by comparison. And if I hold them up together here, you can see what I mean. Whoa, taking a very small amount, that's too much. And I'm going to lightly sweep it up the, oh my gosh. I just want to leave it right there like that. Okay, I got a little crazy there, but I love this. But yes, I'll blend it. I'll blend it for those who want to see it more blended. Now, it's one that when you apply it, just so you are aware, it can be a little troublesome to blend once you get it on your skin, especially with that brush I was just using. You will need a denser brush for blending purposes. And the problem with applying too much is that it stays where you put it. Seriously though, if you have a deeper complexion than me, I mean, I'm not saying this doesn't look gorgeous on me. I'm just saying if you are deeper than me, this gold that you're seeing right here, that would pop so beautifully on tan and deeper skin tones. I could just see this. This is such a universal color to me. It's so beautiful. Last two products I have to share with you from this collection are lip products. She included what's called a lip cocktail. So it's a lip liner and a lipstick or a lip gloss together. And there are instructions on the PR kit on how you can use these. She says, if you prefer a darker lip with a lighter center, apply the liner all over your lips and then dab a bit of the liquid lipstick to the center and blend. So that's one way that you can use these products. The other way, if you prefer a lighter lip with a more lined look, line your lips and fill in with the liquid lipstick. So I think the way that I'm going to do this is to keep it a little lighter simply because my eyes are so dramatic today. I tried out a new palette from C Color Cosmetics and it's just, it's coming up in a video soon, but it's gorgeous. This is a lip pencil, an actual pencil, which I typically don't go for, but we will see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Well, it's actually very creamy. Looks can be deceiving with this one. On me, it's coming off as more orange brown. It's not so much pink. Oh, okay. Well, it's not like the bad lip liners, and I know you know what I'm talking about. There are some pencil lip liners out there that are not pigmented and are so scratchy and hard to apply. This is not like that at all. It's very creamy. And if I apply that gloss in a swatch to the back of my hand, I have not swatched it before this video, so I'm not sure what to expect. Ooh, hello. Again, it's pulling a bit more orange on me. See, on me, this doesn't come out pinky nude at all, which it's going to vary for each person based on your own unique undertones, so keep that in mind. On me, it's more of a brown nude orange, which is not bad. I mean, the color isn't terrible. The quality of it was extremely good, and the lips pair up nicely with the eyes here today, so it's okay. It's good. Dries down extremely fast, by the way. It's a matte. It's not gloss. So, did they call that a gloss? No, I called it a gloss. It's actually called liquid lipstick. Duh. e.l.f. has been hitting it out of the park lately. I've been so impressed with so many of their collections that I've been trying over the past year or so, and this one is no exception. Every product I tested out for you here today is of quality. I wasn't disappointed in anything here. So if you've been eyeing this entire collection, or maybe one or two items from it, go for it. You would not be disappointed in it whatsoever. I think you can get the entire collection for $35 on their website right now. That was what I remember seeing when I was on there earlier today. So if you're interested in it, I'll have all the pieces that I showed you today listed and linked for you below, as well as the full set. They will be affiliate links. So if you click through, I'd like to say thank you so much in advance for helping to support this channel and our family. Let me know your thoughts on this collection if you've had the opportunity to try it out for yourself, or what you thought about it based off of today's video. Thank you so much for being here, for taking the time to watch. I want to wish you a beautifully blessed weekend ahead. I look forward to seeing you again next week.